All right, so today we're going to make some hot sauce, my famous Tobmans hot sauce. And you will need garlic, habanero peppers, onions, red bell peppers, and ginger. And optional is celery. Actually, celery and the red bell peppers are optional. So I put everything in the blender, and because my blender is really powerful, I just put everything in like there without having to chop it into small pieces. And then I blend it. It's pretty straightforward. I had a little bit of water, just a little actually, because this is supposed to be like, that thick, nice hot sauce that you put on anything, you know. And I'm going to season it with the Goya adobo garlic salt seasoning, and we're going to fry it with coconut oil. So you're going to see all that. So right now it's blending, and as you can see, I guess I gave too much credit to the blender, but so I used the tapper to push it down a little, and then I have the effect I need. So it blends into. I like to blend mine into fine paste, and that's what's going on here. And so next step is to put some coconut oil in the frying pan. I'll estimate that's like 4 tablespoons, which is okay. In fact, if you like, you can put more oil, and then you can take out the oil later on and use that on its own. That's like some very well seasoned, very tasty, spicy oil that you can use on your salads. But I just leave everything in there. And so when the oil heats up to the point where it can be used for frying, you'll see in a minute. Yeah, that's like a test to see if it's hot enough. And once I confirmed that, I just poured half the paste actually, because I wanted to use the other half to create this amazing suya sauce. And that's just one additional ingredient. So you see that I added the seasoning, the adobo garlic salt. That's just for seasoning. And that's about all that you need to put in there. And all you just do now is cook and stir, maybe every 5 minutes. And this took maybe all of 20 minutes on on medium heat. And so what happened is I came out after every 5 minutes, to stir, just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom and then start burning. Now you will notice that initially it was floating on the oil, but now when it's cooked, you will notice that the oil is now floating on the top. That's actually how you can visibly tell that it's ready. You just stir again a couple of times, and it's ready. It's ready. So I served it in a serving plate, just as the final shot. So there you go, the amazing Tubman's hot sauce.